Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956 Section 2H in security aswaidan chuan shares, scrip, stocks, bonds, debentures, debenture stocks te, marketable security shim te, pooled investment vehicle ang chi, heng, mutual fund, ETF ang chi tele, derivatives kanti ang chi zong te hi ahuam thei vek ani. Security market chu leile shal na mun marketplace ti na mai ani. Investor te tan company a emo sarkara sum pei pun thei na hun tha le mun tha siam tu ani mai pialama investment a hlok to te tana an security ti ral nan le poisa chantir liquid na hun tha le mun tha ani ngal bok ani. Security market chu chinin a then theya chung te chu primary market le secondary market te anni. Security ya kan invest main a market kal dan le a risk om thei te hi kan hriat ma sak nge angaya tin risk kan tor thei chin tur te le kan invest ngam tok tur chena kan hriat thiam angai don ani. Risk om thei te han soila masapera chuan market risk emo systematic risk. Market pumpui le ram chung in rel bol na macroeconomic feltok lo awanga investor ten sum an chan thei na ani. Entir na thabera chuan stock market bubbles an ti le stock market crash an ti heng COVID-19 crash ang chi te hi an ni. Unsystematic risk company emo industry emo in rel bol na futok lo le competition zolo awanga investor ten sum an chan thei na hi ani. Entina thabera chuan Reliance Jio in Airtel le Vodafone aron lualan ang deuh lekhi ani. Inflation risk hun lo lakal zel turatana poisa hlut na tlaniam selin kan investment na hlok na te aron ei zo vek theya hei hi inflation risk an ti thin. Entina thabera chuan inflation san laya fixed deposit da te hi ani. Liquidity risk in a soitumber chu kan investment a kan hlok na te kan shal theilo emo kan tiral theilo emo poisa kan chantir theilo na hi ani. Entina thabera chuan real estate business a kan ram shaldu leitu kan hmu mai lo te hi ani thei ani. Business risk kan invest na company emo industry emo kha poisa nei lo wang le har sat na awangin atop theya sum kan chan vek thei ani. Chu business risk an ti thin ani. Entina thabera chuan Kingfisher aviation company tu cheta te kha ani. Volatility risk company stock man chet na satlutuk awanga investor ten sum an chan thei na hi ani ber. Entina thabera chuan Adani Group Company Hinderburg Company in a heklaya Adani stock man chen na salutuk khan investor tam tak poisa a chan tirani. Security market a risk om thei telaka kan invendan tur te han soile taila. Diversification ama sabera chuan diversification concept mang hian risk laka inven all berani. Kan sumlu capital te financial product sang heng stocks, bonds, debentures, mutual funds, ETF le adang chi sang a te kan da thei ani. Hei hian product pakhat alo niam po in product pakhat khan alo chan him ve thei ani. SIP volatility risk kan ti hi chu systematic investment plan SIP kan ti mang hian kan inveng theya. SIP hian tumber chu voi khata share tam tak leilova tem te a lei khola investment siam tumber ani. Fundamental analysis systematic le unsystematic risk laka kan invent don chuan company hrisel dan le economy hrisel dan kan zir chian thiam angai thina chu fundamental analysis an ti thin ani heng topic te hi azaw de awangin level danga a aya chiang zokin kan la khoile don ani primary market company na voi khatnan mi pui hena an share stock emo bonds anon zor chhuwa don chuan primary market an ti thina chemical phung hi initial public offering an ti thin company in an share an zor chhuwa don reng chuan SEBI Security Exchange Board of India in alo endik thina SEBI in dan le dun an neite an zom fam kima an tlin to chuan public mi pui hena anon in zuar chuak thei to don ani secondary market a chuan company in an share te primary market a anon in zor chhuwa to hnuaia stock exchange stock bazar kan tia khan an in chop chuak listed ve thina ti chuan stock exchange atangin mi pui minol puin an lo lein an lo hral ta thina ni India chuan stock exchange panhi kan neya chungte chu BSE le NSE te an ni mutual fund a chuan investor zong te poisa kha mun khata da khomin stock sa emo bond sa emo security market shima te an invest sak thin ani mutual fund company din tur chuan SEBI a an in register ngai nge ya chu vain mutual fund kan invest rengin kan invest na te kha SEBI registered broker an ni ti kan chian nge turani mutual fund hnuaia omania SIP na tumber chu voile khata sumlu capital invest vek lowa claim te akar tinemo thatin nemo thalidan zela investor te in plan na siam thei ani SIP thatna te discipline ken ko na chikhat SIP chuan voile khata lok thur ti ratum lem lowa risk om thei te sharengin muang changa sum siam thei tu ani marketa leihun big asiam lo regular taka invest ani awangin marketa leihun le shalhuna nei chuang lova market thanrualin investment kha athang ve mai ani rupee cost averaging aum zia chu market chhuk chawa share an label zel awangin market thanrualin athang ve zel thei chau ani power of compounding omzia chu ama salam panga khan kan soi toa SIP po hi asum invest kha ain compound zel ani claim te atangin invest thei SIP hi cheng zanga atanga invest thei ani awangin mite berpo thleng phak ani commodity kan ti hi ram economy in amamo thil he khovela kan lai chhuale kan thar chhuwa trade thei le shal thei te hi an ni atlang puin commodity trade thei ho reng hi man raw materials thil siam chhuale nana an man thin ani tlang pui India rama chuan commodity exchange kan nei nuala chung te chu
1. Multi-Commodity Exchange of India, MCX. 2. National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange, NCDX. 3. National Multi-Commodity Exchange, NMCE. 4. Indian Commodity Exchange, ICEX. 5. ACE Derivatives and Commodity Exchange Limited. 6. Universal Commodity Exchange Limited.
commodity a trade thei te
1. Edible oilseed, groundnut, mustard seed, cottonseed, soy oil, crude palm oil. 2. Food grains, wheat, gram, bajra, pearl millet, maize, etc. 3. Bullion, gold, silver. 4. Metals and energy, natural gas, crude oil, copper, zinc, aluminium, lead, steel. 5. Spices, turmeric, pepper, cumin seed, cardamom. 6. fibers, cotton, jute, etc. 7. Other. Castor seed, guar gum, rubber.